Hello, everybody. Today's topic is UK part time job for students. Welcome to today's video where we break down the $1,000,000 question: how to find part time jobs as a student in the UK right after you arrive. Many students face this challenge without proper guidance, but worry not, we have got your back. Upon landing in the UK, be prepared for a settling in period of about a month. Ensure you have a financial cushion of at least 3 months for a smooth start. Listen carefully to the entire video to seize the opportunity to find the perfect opening in the UK. We recommend preparing a simple CV as soon as you arrive and distributing it to the top 5 places that frequently hire students. Supermarkets, for example, Safeway, Tesco, and Sainsbury's. Security companies, restaurants, especially Indian restaurants, fashion retail stores, fast food chains like McDonald's, KFC, Burger King. Wondering how to approach these companies for a job? It's simpler than you think. Just walk into the outlets, ask for the supervisor, and introduce yourself as a student looking for a part time job. Don't hesitate. Confidence is key. Another effective approach is through connections. Speak to seniors in your college and ask for their help to find a job where they work or if they can provide a referral. No magic involved. With dedication, you will likely to see results within 2 months. Curious about earnings? Part-time wages vary by industry, but on average, students can earn between 6.5 to 8.5 pound per hour. You are allowed to work up to 20 hours a week during regular periods and up to 40 hours per week during annual holidays. Don't miss out on this valuable information that can make a significant difference in your UK student experience. Hit play, follow our step by step guide, and boost your chances of securing that ideal part time job. I hope you have enjoyed our video, and if you liked it, please make sure to subscribe and share, and stay tuned for more informative videos. Until then, thanks for watching InfoNomad TV.